where Chris has his Estes. This is a Pro Series Patriot. This is on 4 D22s. This is a cluster.
Yep.
On 4 D22s. On C1, we're going to launch that rocket in 3, 2, 1.
Nice job. Nice job.
Up, over.
You track it the whole time? Yep.
Coming down, shoots out. Nice job. So, on C2, Ray DePaula has a Bliss kit. This is a Helios rocket. This is a test flight on a G. It's flown on multiple Fs. First on a G. Kit will be in production in 2 months, I believe. This is a Bliss kit on G38 on C2. Here we go, Ray, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice smoky motor, easy peasy, fine, over. I did see it, but now I lost it. All right, keep your eyes open for Ray's kit there. We're moving on to C3, where Les Bradshaw has his Super Neon Mosquito.